Hello everyone, welcome to day 22 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a foundation double triple crochet. To make a foundation double triple crochet, you have to yarn over thrice, just like how you do a normal double triple crochet. Go into the first loop, pull out a loop, again yarn over, pull out of just the one loop, then start making a normal double triple crochet. Okay, again yarn over thrice, go into the chain space we just created, and now yarn over, pull out of just one loop, making the chain, and then start making the double triple crochet. Again, this is very helpful when there is a lot of double triple crochets to do after a row of foundation chain. Do try this out, and I'll meet you back with yet another interesting crochet stitch tomorrow.